Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is all about nailing this slick, elegant bun inspired by Georgina Rodríguez. It's quick, easy, and totally beginner friendly. When I saw this look, I fell in love and had to recreate this for you guys, so let's get started. You want to begin by having your hair semi-straightened, so when we are doing the slick bun, it has a smoother finish to it without the bumps. She has her hairpiece on the left side of the face. I'm going to do mine on the right side. You can do it on the left. It doesn't really matter. It's a personal choice. You want to begin grabbing a piece of hair from this section as you want the hair strand to be located higher from the forehead area. Once complete, grab a section from the front as well, and we'll use this section to create a smoother finish to the slick bun, which I will show you later on in the video. Clip these two pieces together and we'll come back to it later. Now you want to grab a section from the other side, a decent amount but not too much, and we will also use this section to create a smoother finish to the hairstyle. Clip this together and we will come back to it later. This step is super easy. You want to grab all your hair and start putting it into a tight ponytail. Go in with a comb or brush to smooth out the sides so there isn't any bumps. Go back and forth until you're satisfied. Now I'm going to grab my Lorenzo hairstyling spray to hold flyaways down and create a strong hold to the ponytail. It's hands down the best hairspray I've used. It lasts all day, all night. It smells amazing as well. It doesn't crumble to leave any white marks like most hairsprays do. It has a very smooth finish, which is what we want for any hairstyle, especially sleek ponies or hair buns. I'm going to start spraying around the pony and combing the hair to begin holding everything in place. You want to take your time when doing this all around, as the sleek pony is the most important part for this hairstyle before we go on to the rest. Once you've done that, grab a really strong hair tie and tie your hair tightly to hold everything in place. Make sure to give your pony a really nice pull to ensure that the ponytail is nicely tight. Once we have our tight ponytail, you just want to create a tight braid going all the way down before we move on to the next step. Once we have completed the braid, you want to wrap it around the ponytail where the hair tie is and secure it in place with strong bobby pins. I have short layers in my hair, so if you have the same and the pieces are sticking out, don't stress. We can pin them down and add some hairspray to hold them in place. For the end of the braid, you want to grab those pieces and you want to tuck that underneath the braid and secure those in place. This is just going to be a great way to hide that end part so that we can't see it. Then you just want to grab some bobby pins and go around the bun and just secure everything in place and all those little flyaways that are sticking out. Grabbing some hairspray onto my comb and just combing that little piece backwards. Don't stress too much if little pieces are sticking out. There's one thing that I love about an interview that I watched with Georgina, and she said that she loves having her hair looking like she's done it at home herself, including her makeup. So this is just a great thing to say, and I think it's really cool because not everything is perfect. So don't stress if there's any little pieces sticking out, because we want it to look like we've done it ourselves. Now for the front part, you want to grab this section of the hair and tightly pull it back, securing it with bobby pins. You want to wrap the ends and tuck it around the braid like we done with the ponytail to hide it, and then secure it in place with some more bobby pins. And as you can see, it's just leaving a really nice finish to the hair bun. Don't be shy with the bobby pins. Use as many as you need to secure everything in place, and making sure that we tuck in that end piece underneath the braid that we have created. Invincible. Now for the main character of the hairstyle, you want to grab the last pieces and split them in half. The front piece is going to get tucked underneath the top piece, and we will tightly pin this back, tucking the ends underneath the braid. If there is any extra hair that isn't sitting right with the top piece, just grab the extras and pin it back with the bottom piece. I'm going in with my GHD to create a slight curve to the hair piece so that it curves slightly underneath the chin area. And once you've done that, you can just get a little bit of hairspray on your hand and just glide that across the hair just to smooth everything out. Now to finish off the look, I'm just going to go in with my comb and I'm just going to start pulling out those pieces from the side. As shown in her photo, she's got just like a little bit of it just sticking out from the side of her ear. Then I'm just going to go in and just bring out those little baby hairs and make everything look neat. Don't stress, it doesn't need to look identical to what she has, because she has her own unique features and I have my own unique features. So we're just going to create it very similar to what she has, but it's not always going to be exactly the same. And that is basically it. This is a really quick and easy hairstyle. I love this look. I think it's fun and different, and I love the location of the hairpiece. It really adds uniqueness compared to your typical two front strands that everyone creates. I hope you tried this look and enjoyed as much as I did. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I did create her makeup look as well, which I will be posting shortly, showing you how to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching to the very end, and I will see you all in my next video.